what's going on, all of you wonderfully amazing people? Please be sure to give this video a big old fat thumbs up if you enjoy these work at home related videos. Also, don't forget to go over and join the email newsletter over there on the blog, you guys. If you do not want to miss out on any of these hot leads, you should definitely be on that email newsletter. It is 100% free. I don't charge you anything. I don't send you any spam. The only thing that I send is legitimate work at home jobs. Okay, you guys. And also don't forget to go over and join the Work at Home Lounge on Facebook. As always, amazing things that are happening in that group. I am absolutely excited for what I have in store for this channel, you guys. Over the next month or so, I go on a cruise on June 3rd. So I'm super excited about that. But when I come back, I'm going to be doing a ton of different things with this channel, which includes, of course, I'm still going to be doing my work at home videos because, you guys, that is my absolute niche, okay? That is my niche. I love doing the work at home videos. I love sharing legitimate work at home jobs with people. However, I do like to do fun and different things with this channel. But you guys, I have just been in a process of doing a lot of different things with home buying. I have been moving. I have been just doing a whole lot of different things. So just bear with me. I will definitely be coming back to my regular scheduled programming very, very soon, okay? But I wanted to come today and tell you guys about some websites that you can actually get paid to test products from home, okay? For those of you out there who love receiving free stuff in the mail and getting paid to receive free stuff in the mail and simply give people your honest opinion on it, you need to keep watching this video. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. The first website that I'm going to tell you guys about is going to be Opinion Outpost. Now, with Opinion Outpost, they're very well known. Now, if you want to get paid for giving your opinions on products online, you definitely got to sign up for this website. It is 100% free. And they also, depending on the types of products that they send you to test, some of them can pay anywhere upwards to from $100 to $150. Some of them even more depending on the product. Now, that is absolutely amazing, okay? Again, that is Opinion Outpost. Again, it's 100% free for you guys to go over there and sign up, okay? Next website is going to be Consumer Panel Testing. Now, this company pays you cash to test products such as sunscreen, cosmetics, and tons of other different things, okay? They are always looking for product testers. Again, this is another website that is 100% free for you guys to go over and sign up for. Now, they're actually based out of Fairfield, New Jersey, but they've been around since like 1975. So they have been around for a very, very long time. So if you want to receive some free products in the mail, I don't know about you guys, but I don't know. I just get this warm, fuzzy feeling inside when I go out to my mailbox and I got a box in there of free goodies that I didn't pay for, okay? Super excited about that, which is one of the things I'm definitely going to be bringing to this channel. I think you guys will enjoy seeing me test out different products and giving my 100% honest review, because I am a very colorful person. So I can not only bring my honest review of different products, I can also do it in a colorful way to where it's fun and, you know, funny to watch. So I'm really, really excited about that, you guys. Okay, next up is going to be My Soapbox. Now, My Soapbox is a website that pays you to share your opinions on products and services. They pay you in cash and in gift cards, okay? This is another one that is really, really good that I highly suggest you guys go over and check out. 100% free for you to go over there and join, okay? Next up is going to be Daily Goodie Box. Now, this company also sends you a big old box of free products in the mail, okay? I always like to say free. Free products in the mail. They do not ask you for any credit card information or anything like that. They also on occasion send you coupons. So say for instance, there's something in there that you do enjoy, that you do like. They will oftentimes also send you coupons in the mail as well. Now this one doesn't pay you in cash, okay? They actually send you the merchandise in the form of payment. So they send you free products, and because you receive these free products, they do ask you to give your honest opinion on the products. That's still, to me, a win-win. You're getting some free products in the mail for your honest opinion, all right? Next up is going to be Survey Junkie. Now, Survey Junkie is one of, okay, not the, but it is very, very popular online when it comes to surveys and product testing websites. Now, they do their best to match you with the best products and services and surveys so that you can make the most money for your time. Now, they pay you in cash, or if you choose, they can also pay you in gift cards, okay? I'm only going to share a couple of more with you guys. You guys can go over there and check out the blog for a full list, okay? I just don't want to make this video too long. Next up is going to be Tell What. Now, Tell What is another website that gives you the opportunity to make some money online. All you have to do is give your opinion on different subject matters, and they pay you in cash or gift cards. Now, next up, you guys, I have used this one myself. Next up is going to be Pinecone Research. Now, Pinecone Research is the #1 best, okay? The absolute best survey site online. And they also on occasion send you products to test as well. Now, sometimes it depends on how long you have been on the platform. So if you are a seasoned person on the platform, you're more likely to actually receive the products that they actually send out to people to, test out, to give their review on. But if you're probably newer on the website, they'll probably just send you surveys on occasion for you to take. Now, these surveys pay $3 per survey. I heard some people say that they make $5 per survey. I guess it really all depends. But this is the absolute #1 best and most reputable sites online for you guys to check out. And I have a ton more listed on the blog over there, you guys. I just do not want to spend too much time talking about these. You guys can go over to the blog and read up on them and sign up. Again, they are 100% free. A lot of these websites send you 100% free products in the mail for you to test and simply give your honest review. Most of them pay in cash for your opinion. Some of them actually do just basically send you the merchandise and say, okay, we're giving you free merchandise. All we're asking for is your opinion on the product, okay? And some of them actually pay you in gift cards. So it really all depends on the website. But again, 100% free for you guys to go over and sign up. Again, don't forget to sign up to the email newsletter on the blog for these hot new job leads. And also don't forget to go over and join the Work at Home Lounge. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next video.